Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey sriracha chicken, and you can basically take this meat and pair it with any other side dishes you want. But without further ado, let's jump right in. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to first start off by adding in about 2 tablespoons of sriracha, followed by about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, and oh well. And I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of soy sauce and about a 1/4 cup of honey. I will then just whisk this all together till it's thoroughly combined. Then I'm going to put in 4 skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs into this marinade. And for this marinade, you can do this right when you buy your chicken and then throw it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer, and that's just going to let it marinate that whole time until you're ready to eat it. You can do this the night before. You can do this literally for like 10 minutes, which is what I did today, and you're still going to get a really flavorful product. Then you want to take a square pan. I'm using a loaf pan because my square pan was currently had food in it and it was frozen, so there was no way I was going to be able to use that. But I'm just going to put all of my chicken in, skin side up, and then I'm just going to put the leftover marinade over top. We'll then put this in the oven at 350, and you want to make sure to turn it about halfway through the cooking process. Not only is it going to make sure your chicken gets browned on all sides, but it's going to make sure that it gets to sit in that marinade evenly. And then for like the last minute or two, you're just going to put your oven on broil and let it go for about 2 minutes, making sure to keep an eye on it. And with that, guys, we complete this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're curious on how I made that egg fried rice on the side, make sure to stay tuned for next week's video where I show you how to make that. And in the meantime, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below for what you want to see next time. And until next time, guys, bye!